monitors, disk drives, the mouse or keyboards. Connection on the computer that allows input devices like monitors, disk drives, the mouse or keyboards.
Kabalo ka ni Chan.
On five.
Dali lang liwat.
Wala na. On 5. Ano kaniya? Obis mo contestant. Yung
Liwat, 1. Last.
Last na lang ha. Connection on the computer that allows
Guro.
input devices like tadon ko.
Ako ba na
Connection on the computer that allows input devices like monitors, disk drives, the mouse or keyboards. On 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fourth. Very good. Negative 1 na ka mo. Ay, negative. Ano na sila?
1.
Negative 1 na ka mo.
Ay,
Negative 1.
Negative 1?
Ay, negative 1.
Positive 1, positive 1.
Positive 1, boy.
Ah,
Negative 1.
Negative 1 ka mo.
Kuya, online mo.
Ano ganun? Ikaw ang bab na nag-bab. Ano? Compose yourself, mga contestant.
Okay.